Welcome to Fox 47's Morning Blend.
We've got kind of a big deal in the house today, Bob.
I would say so. We've got Mike Silkworth from Union Home Mortgage with us this morning. Good morning.
Hi, how are you doing, guys?
We're
Good.
doing great. You're a senior loan officer, so I know you can answer this question. You hear on the streets that it's harder to get a mortgage today. Now, is that true or false?
Boy, you guys really come out swinging.
Yeah, we do.
I know, it's tough. The simple answer is yes, it is tougher. But imagine this. When I started in the business 9 years ago, someone come to me with a 580 credit score, haven't been on the job very long, don't have any assets, bunch of collections, they could get a loan. So when you compare it to that, yes, it is harder. But what's happened is we've put a lot of real common sense restrictions into the loan process, which is really a good thing. Because when you think about you buying a house and then someone buying a house next door, don't you want the people next door to you to be successful in their mortgage too?
Sure.
Yeah.
That's what we've done. That's what the federal government's done. They've stepped in and they've made sure that people can truly afford their homes,
Right.
which is very important because it protects all of our values. And since this has happened, guess what? Home values are going up again.
Yes.
Which is a good thing. So why would someone choose Union Home Mortgage and Mike Silkworth over anyone else out there?
Well, they get to work with Mike Silkworth for one.
I told you, you're a big deal.
Right, exactly. Probably the biggest reason is, I've bought 7 homes in my lifetime. So I've gone through the mortgage process. And the mortgage process is more than just getting the best rate. The mortgage process is more than, so many things. What it is matching up your financial goals, short and long term, with what you're doing with your finances and matching it up with your mortgage, because your mortgage is the biggest financial instrument that you have. So why would someone choose Union Home Mortgage and Mike Silkworth? Well, I chose to be with Union Home Mortgage because it's a great company. We've got all the products. So when I sit down and talk to someone about what their financial goals are, I have all the tools in front of me and I spend the time to find out what their goals are so I can match up the right product for them.
That's a wonderful thing. Now, why wouldn't someone just go online, though, to simply find the best interest rate?
Yeah, good question. And you see that, and it's a little deceptive because I get calls all the time, what's your interest rate? You can't answer that question. And the reason you can't answer that question is because we've gotten very sophisticated at matching rates with risk levels. So you guys, for instance, you guys are the big deal here, really. You guys probably are a great risk, and it would be less expensive.
And we're going to put your website on the screen so people can get more information.